Tell me, what business is Microsoft in? They are in the business of making software. And what is the business of Tata Motors? They are into making automobiles. And what is the business of the Marriott Group? They are providing hospitality services, right? Absolutely wrong. All these three names that I just took are actually in the same business. And never to forget, the business of running a business enterprise is to make profit. Tata Motors does not make automobiles just for the pleasure of making automobiles. The intention is to make profit. And now if I ask you, can you define profit? Can you tell me what is profit? I'll probably get numerous definitions from different people. And this is because profit is a financial term. Folks, if business is all about profit, then the earlier you familiarize yourself with this word and numerous other financial words, the better it will be for you and for your business. My experience is business persons, CEOs, owners, they spend all their time doing everything except finance management. And finance management is left to accountants. I will urge you, make a list of all your activities, whatever you do morning to evening. Every activity on that list that you can delegate, please delegate and free yourself for doing finance management. It will reap you dividends. For every startup that is a success, there are probably several thousands that have failed. And if somebody was to do a study of all the failed businesses, you would probably trace most business failures to financial mismanagement. Join me in the live room on finance and entrepreneurship on 14 November at 5 p.m. And I will give you a few tips about finance management. What you should do and what you should not do in order to make sure that your business is a success. I am Dr. Anil Lamba, and this is where I nurture.